Well, it is now confirmed, say Kumasi Asante Kotoko next chairmanship position, Dr. Kwakuti and the Dean Ebeje Entre, and say, oye out. Na akoka nipa saying, it brought on Super 24 TV information and no pay, but just in, indicates, say, Yaw Amponsah, the current CEO of the club, Sir, ye appointed Papa B as the board chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Obe extended Yaw Amponsah mandate amano no watoa so why the CEO of the club. Dr. Kwame Che Oko anase Otna in the next 2 weeks will determine, and that is going to come from the team owner Otumfo Osei, which is Asante Kotoko. Dr. Kwakuti there or the atudwa say na ninje ho na na edi ntia according to reporter yenze ka ne chese Dr. Kwakuti edidi atem no wo hu bi wo Kumase say ya appointed Kotoko chairman na edi o matem pa no ho basis and o say eja ma me ntra me ba bi na menye me business. Dr. Kofi Aban, a current board member of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now let me gist you into it. Now our intentions for the club, our big intentions for the club. To him, so obey the board chairman. The intentions for the club, can be materialized very well. And untina, ovai. You name say Kotoko Juma na yekasi ye vifa because enye Juma ye kopre anaze Otumfo na appoint unyaya nkopeye nti oye ono ane underground works. The other time ebeto dwa say wa promise wa pledge some 2 million or 3 million dollars say ye de adwuma na mana or the bema CEO na just CEO e de arane na in this contest the CEO or the bema no oba extend onkofa CEO bia emba eye Yaw Amponsah or the current CEO of the club and Dr. Kofi Aban I na adwen say sir unya board chairmanship position of Kumasi Asante Kotoko obedane adwuma na ma na ono Yaw Amponsah aye CEO na ono Dr. Kofi Aban no aye the executive board chairman. This is information and pay ebetum say Dr. Kofi Aban the intentions for the club and nyoma or outline sa ninsa ka adwuma na na say toaso for Yaw Amponsah or da screen no so no, but all this is subjected to what the king will say in between these 2 weeks time reports beko na opem so akasa. Super 24 TV edawase meko.